welcome to online class today. Myself Fatima teacher, Mrs. Fatima. I'm your teacher. I'm teaching you numeracy. Numeracy means math subject teacher, children. Okay? What is my name? My name is Mrs. Fatima. I'm teaching you numeracy. Numeracy means math subject. Okay? Okay, children. I hope you all are fine. You are safe at home. Yes. Yes, children. Yes or no? Yes. You all are very good children. I know that. You are very small children, you should not go out. You should be at home. You are safe in the house. That's why government has declared holidays for you. You have to be in the house. You are safe in the house only. That's why you are not coming to school. Okay, children? Because of coronavirus. This virus is very dangerous. COVID-19 means, you know. This virus is very dangerous. Okay, that's why you are at home. You are feeling very bored, I think. You want to enjoy. Yes, we will enjoy with the class. Okay? See children, my name is Fatima teacher. Mrs. Fatima. You are in class LKG. Subject numeracy is math subject. Okay children, I want to tell you a few things about wash your hands thoroughly with the soap before eating, after eating, after going to washroom. When you go for washroom, no, after coming from washroom, you have to wash your hands with the soap thoroughly. Okay, and after eating also you should wash, before eating also you should wash your hands with the soap. If you touch anything, you have to wash your hands immediately. Okay children, social SMS, please I will explain. S means social distance. You have to maintain the social distance. You should not go near to anyone and you should talk from the far. At least you have to maintain 6 feet distance from everyone. Okay, mask. You have to wear the mask. Your nose and mouth will be safe with the mask. And don't touch your eyes, nose and mouth. Okay children, eat healthy food, eat good food, don't eat junk food, eat vegetables, fruits, drink milk and drink hot water. Don't trouble your parents, whatever they are giving you have to eat. Don't tell that I will not eat this vegetable, I will not eat that fruit. At least one fruit you have to eat in a day. At least one fruit you have to eat. You can eat many fruits, but if you don't want to eat, at least one fruit you have to eat daily. And you should drink 2 cups of milk. Morning when you get up early in the morning from the bed, that time brush your teeth, take a bath, pray to God. After praying to God, you have to drink milk. Before going to bed also, you have to drink 1 cup of milk. And drink hot water, don't drink cold water. Avoid eating ice creams. Don't eat ice creams, don't drink cool drinks. Okay children, I hope you all understood children. Yes, come on, start. Come on, your topic is page number 55, heavy and light. Heavy means heavy. Light means it is very light. You say no? Yes, weight. But this table is very heavy, teacher, you say. I ask you to bring the table means you say, teacher, this table is very heavy, you say. I ask you to bring the chair, immediately bring the chair because the chair weight is light. Understood children? Teacher, did you see the teacher table? In your class, table is there for teacher. You can lift the table? No, you cannot lift. It's a bar teacher, I cannot lift this table inside. Why? It is very heavy. Chair means it is light in weight. Okay? You can lift the chair, you can take the chair also. Yes? We are going to learn heavy and light. Heavy, difference between the heavy and the light things. Okay? See? Heavy and light we are learning, things we require. See children, before starting the class, you should sit with your term book, pencil, eraser. These 3 things you require. See, this is your term book. See, this is your term book. Did you see? See here? LKG, term 1. LKG, term 1. This book you should take, pencil you should take and eraser you should take. Okay children? I hope you all understood children. Come on, clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Come on, stand, sit. I think you all are doing. Yes, stand, sit. Hands up, hands down, hands up, hands down. Okay, slowly, slowly, fast. Come on, do it. Slowly, slowly, fast. Fold your hands. Fold your hands. You all want to play the game? Yes. We start our lesson topic with the playing wave method. Okay, you all should enjoy the topic. Whatever teacher is teaching, you should understand. Okay, when you will come to school, if you write neat handwriting, teacher will give you star, smiley face she will give. She will give the chocolate in the notebook. She will draw the chocolate also now. Okay, you all want all this? Yes, fine. Okay, come on, teacher. Come on, ready? You all are ready. Come on. We are going to start heavy and light. See, heavy, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy, and L-I-G-H-T, light. Heavy means weight is more. Light means that weight is very less. Okay? See, so look at the board, see a board. See, this is a ball, this is a balloon. Which is a heavier here? See, this is a ball. Ball is little bit heavy. See, balloon is very light. See, this is very lightweight. Balloon is very lightweight. See, ball. See, ball is heavy. If I do like this, it will go or not? It's not going. This weight is, the balloon is heavy. If I go for the balloon, see, it fly away. Because the balloon weight is light. The ball weight is heavy. It's not going. Why? The weight is more. The balloon light is weight is very light. That's why it flew off. It went away. Okay, children, you all understood now? Yes? This. See, this ball is heavy ball. This is the heavy ball. The balloon is light balloon. Balloon is lightweight. The balloon weight was very light. That's why it flew away. It flew away. That ball is heavy. See, this leaf is very light. Leaves are very light. And this flower will be little heavy. Okay, children? I will show you few examples. Okay, you all want to see the example, children? You all are interested now? See, this brush is heavy. This brush is light. This is the big one. This is a heavier one. This is a light one. Okay, now we will see this. No. You all will like to play with the car. You all will like to play with the car. See the weight. This weight of the car is very heavy. This car is very light. See, this car is very heavy, light. This car weight is very heavy. This car weight is light. Okay, children? See? This is heavy, children. See, this car is heavy. This car is heavy. It's going down. My hand is going down. It's very heavy. It's very light. It's not at all coming down because its weight is light. This weight is more, children. It's going down. Down. See? My hand is going down now because the weight is more. This is a heavier one. That's why my hand is going down. This is a light weight. It's not at all moving. Yes? You all understood? Yes? Yes. Very good. Now, more one thing I want to show you. Wow. This book is very heavy, children. See? This book is very heavy. This book is light. See? This book is having many pages. See here? Many pages are there in this book. See? So thick it is. So many pages. This is heavy. Heavy book this is. See, this book is very light. You are having very few pages in this book. Yes? You are having many pages in this? No. You are having very less pages in this book. That's why this book is light. And this book is, oh, see, so heavy it is. My hand is going down. See, it's going down with the heavy. Because the weight is more. That's why my hand is going down. This book is light. It's not at all going down. Yes? You all understood the difference between the heavy and light? This book is very heavy, children. My hand is going down. See? See, my hand is going down with the weight. This book is very light. Okay? You all understood now, children? This is difference between the heavy and the light? Yes? I hope you all understood. I know that you all are very good children. You are from you are promoted from nursery to LKG. You are came to big class now. You should understand whatever teacher is teaching. Try to understand. You see in the house surroundings, any heavy thing is there. You take out that heavy thing and show it to your mother. Mummy, which is a heavier? Which is a lighter? Whatever you see in the house, try to ask your parents. Mummy, this is light or less. This is a light one. Okay? You all understood, I think? Heavy and light. Light means which object weight is less. Heavy means which object weight is more. Okay? Heavy and the light. Okay, children? Now you take your term book. See a term book. LKG term 1. Open, take your pencil, eraser and the book. Open the page number 55. Page number 55. Page number 55. See this, children? See this? Heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. A-N-D and. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Heavy means much weight. More, which object weight is more, that is called heavy. Which object weight is very less, that is called lightweight. Okay, children? Did you see how balloon is going? See? See this balloon? This balloon weight is very less. This is a lightweight, no? See, again I will say. See, it went off because the weight is light. Okay? You all understood, the children? Open the page number 55. Read with me. Come on. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. A-N-D and. A-N-D and. L-I-G-H-T. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Heavy and light. Okay, children? See, this car is heavy. See. This car is heavy. The balloon is light. See, this car is very heavy. This car is heavy. This car is heavy. This balloon is light. See, the balloon is light. Hammer. See, this is the hammer. Heavy hammer. When anything will break, means your parents will prepare with the hammer. They will beat the nails, fix the nails in the wood with the hammer. Hammer will be heavy. And leaf will be the light. Leaf. Plant leaf will be light. And wood, heavy wood. For the trees, if you cut the tree down, you will get the wood, no? This is the tree. This is called wood. This wood will be very heavy. Heavy wood. Light flute. You'll play flute. That is very light. Okay, children? I hope you all are understanding. Now open the page number 56. Page number 56. Page number 56. You see, this is your homework, children. Page number 56. What you have to do? Take the heavier object. Which is a heavier? Ball is heavy or this is heavy? Ball is heavy, no? In the ball box, you have to put the first you write date and write HW here. And which is the heavier here? Ball is the heavy. Put right in the ball. Okay. Bulb. Bulb is heavy or fan is heavy? In our house, in your room, you will put the bulb, no? That bulb is heavy or your fan is heavy? Fan is heavy. Put right in the box. Box is given, no? In the box, you have to put the right there. Cross the lighter object. You should cross the lighter object. See here, given the pumpkin he gave. Pumpkin he gave, and he gave the apple. Which is the lighter one? Pumpkin or apple? Which is the lighter? Lightweight. Which is the light in the weight? Apple will be the light in the weight. See, did you see the pumpkin? Pumpkin will be big. This is a big fruit. It will be heavy one. See, put right in the wrong in the apple box. You have to cross. Cross means tick the right one means tick means means you have to put tick in the box. Cross. Cross means in the box you have to put wrong earrings. Okay children, you should put wrong there in the box. Which is the lightweight, you have to put wrong there in the box. Cross out. Okay, apple is light in weight. See, laptop or cell phone. Laptop will be big. It will be heavy, no? Laptop. Did you see laptop? Did you see the cell phone? Did you all see the cell phone? Your mother, your mama, your daddy will use a cell phone. Even you will play the cell phone, no? That will be light in the weight. Comparing to the, if we compare that phone and the laptop, which is a light one, phone will be the lightweight, laptop will the heavyweight. Okay, you should put cross here in the cell phone box. Phone will be light in the weight, no? That's why you are putting cross here. Read the question. CROSS, cross. Cross means wrong. TH the lighter object, which is light in the weight. You have to cross that one. Okay, you all understood children? I hope you all understood children. Yes, you all got children? Okay. Please, dear parents, please sit beside your children when teacher is taking the class. Please make them to understand. Whatever we are teaching, they are very small, they have to understand. Please help them. If you help, then only they can concentrate on the videos, on the studies. Parents, please. We are requesting you to help your child. Sit there with them when the class is going on. Please sit with them and make them to understand. They are too small now. Okay children, I hope you all understood. You should listen to your parents, whatever they are telling. You have to listen, what they are showing, you have to see. Okay children? Okay, we'll stop the class. Okay children, we'll meet you in the next video again. Bye children, take care.